Hello viewer, my name is Thor Lee. I'm a student at University of Houston, Clear Lake. Today, I would like to introduce my projects from the course Isam 5639 Advanced Application Programming Java. The course is instructed by Dr. Jia Lin. I'm a team leader of the project. My team members are Suhas, Divya, and Jaysel. And the final project name is USCL Job Portal. Basically, the project requirement is to develop a USCL job portal using the web application in Java. This website is used for applicants to search for their jobs and wait for the results from the HR manager by checking the applicant status. I have used the JSF page in the NetBeans along with the Bootstrap for user interface and also MySQL for the backends. There are two main roles for the project. The first one is HR manager. This guy can approve the applicant, can post or edit the new jobs, and post or edit job results. And the second one is applicant. This guy can register to the job portal, log in and update account information, apply for the jobs and view the results. Also, this guy can edit for the resume and select or reject the job offer. Now we take a look at our database. I use MySQL to store the website database. Basically, there are 6 tables in the database, and 3 of them are the main ones. The first one is job account table. This table will store all the information about the admin as well as the applicant information. The job application table will store all the information about the applicant information. And the last one is job tables to store all the information about the job posted by the HR in the website. Now we will take a look at our website. Welcome to our website. And you can see here that I use the Bootstrap to design the website. Using the Bootstrap that helps my website look very attractive, and also I can access the website with different device. Now I need to log on to the website as a manager so that I can post a job. Let's see, the manager account is HR manager. Log on. Okay, now I need to post a new job. This is a post new job form. If I click the submit button, it can show that all the requirement I need to fill. Okay, and let's see the job title. Today I will post a new job with maybe new website developer. Job description: USCL need to recruit new developer for their employment website. Job requirement maybe Java, JSF, CSS, HTML, and maybe SQL. Alright, job size maybe 5%, and job deadline must be in this format, otherwise it will show the error message from the website. Trial 30. Alright. Okay, I submit the job and I posted the job successfully. Now take a look at our job, and I can see that the job result is here. The new website developer. If I want to just search for the job specifically, I just put type the keyword in the search engine. new website developer. Alright, and server job. Let's see. Alright, here we go. And from the result, I also can edit the job. Here I can change the job size from 5 to 6, for example, and submit the job and take a look at the job again. And here we go, the information is changed, is updated. And now take a look at the job table to see what happened. Alright, here we go. The table store the information for the new job we have just plotted before. Alright, now we need to log out, and we will play a role as an applicant. And for the applicant, first I need to register for the job. Okay, email account. Let's see, maybe s123@gmail.com. Password, first name, my first name, last name. Okay, I need to choose the secret question. Here we go. The secret question is, what is your favorite activity? Okay, I will type coding. And I submit the, alright, the email account created successfully, which means that I created the account successfully for the USCL employment portal. Now I need to log on. Let's say test123@gmail.com. Now I will try to type the password incorrectly, so to see what happened. Alright, you can see that if I type the password incorrectly, it will show me in the login error page, and here I can log in again, or I can retrieve a new password from the forgot password form. Let's see, email account test123@gmail.com, and where your secret and question is favorite activity, coding, new password. Alright, I reset the password successfully, and now I can log in again. Alright, now before take a further look, I need to look at the job account table to see whether my account information is stored in the database or not. Okay, you can see that my information is stored correctly in the database. And now when I go to the welcome page of the applicant, I can have a lot of options. I can, search for a job, update my account or resume here, and also update for my account setting. Okay, if I want to update my account setting, I can update email, password, first name, last name, secret question, phone number, add phone number, maybe 12345677777. Address, maybe American. Day of birth, I need to be filling the correct day of birth in this format, otherwise it will show the error message from the website. Let's see, maybe 0101, maybe 90. Alright, gender, male of course, and I have that information. Alright, my account information is updated, and I check again in the account information table, and let's refresh the page to see what happened. Alright, all of my information is updated correctly. Now I need to update my resume. Click into your documents. Okay, this is my upload documents form. My education level is graduate. Educational background MIS in USCL, maybe put GPA. My GPA currently 3.9. Working experience, maybe none in IT field, but currently work as instruction assistant. in USC EFDMS unit. Alright, update my information and take a look at our table again to see whether the information is stored or not. Alright, the information is stored correctly. Now I need to search for a job. Okay, if you don't know which job you want to look at, you just click the button. Otherwise, you put the keyword in the search engine text box. Alright, I click the select search button and I can say that job orders for today. The ESL software developer. I can view detail the job to see what happened. Alright, and this is the job information. I can put my the job or I can apply for the job. Alright, I apply for the job successfully and you can see your applicant over here. Here we go. That's your application and you can view detail which job you apply for and you go back. Alright. Now I will log out the applicant role and I will log in as the HR manager to accept the job offer. Before that, I need to look at the job application table. And you can see that in the job application table, when I select and I apply for the job, it will show that the job status user will be being reviewed, and for the job status under the HR manager view will be processing. Alright, when I log in at the HR manager, I need to see the job. New website developer, I select the job to see how many. Alright, go back to see what happened. Select. No. Go back. Oh, USCL software developer. I'm sorry. Alright, here you go. I apply for the job and I select this one, and it so that I selected this guy and I post the job result. And according to my design, that when I post the job recruitment result before the deadline, it will show the alert message. For example, like this. Alright, you cannot post a job recruitment result before deadline. To do so, if you want to post the job right now, you can edit the job deadline. For example, let's see, you can edit the job deadline. Today is 8 December, so you can edit to 7 December. Alright, you update the job successfully, and now you want to post the job recruitment result. Okay, post the job recruitment here. Okay, you post the job recruitment result successfully, and now take a look at our table. And you can see that, let's see the application table. Alright, both of the status change to selected from the HR manager view and also from the applicant view. Okay, now it's supposed to be that the applicant can see their result from the applicant. Let's say you go to, let's see, test right 123.com. Alright, nothing wrong. Alright, you can see your applicant and it's so that you are selected from the job and you got a job offer. You can accept or withdraw the job offer. If you want to withdraw the job offer, just basically click withdraw and you come back to see your application. It's gone. Alright, so basically that's all the requirement from the app project, and I saw that this project is very interestingly because it's related to the real life project, so I posted here to share with you guys. And thank you for watching and listening. Have a nice day.